In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an interactive calendar in Figma. Start by opening your design so you've got a clean spot on the canvas. Create a simple text layer with a single number. Like 1. With that text selected, press Shift+A to wrap it in auto layout. Set the frame to 45 by 45 pixels, so each date has a consistent square. And add a small padding of around 5, to keep the text from hugging the edges. This will be your default state. So give it a neutral background and text style that you'll want for unselected days. Next, duplicate this element to create 2 more visual variants, hover and selected. For hover, change the background color to something slightly different, so it's easy to see when a user's cursor is over it. For selected, use a more pronounced style like a bolder color and clear text contrast, so it stands out as the active date. Select all 3 and turn them into a single component set. Switch to the Prototype tab and add an interaction for while hovering that changes the default variant to the hover variant. Then add a click interaction that changes default to selected. For a smoother experience, also set up a second click interaction on the selected variant that toggles it back to default, so users can unselect a date with a second click. Now build the calendar grid. From the Assets panel, drag an instance of your new component onto the canvas. Duplicate it until you have 7 in a row to represent a week, and use auto layout to line them up evenly with consistent spacing. With that row in place, duplicate the entire row 4 to 5 times to fill out the month. Go through and update the text numbers so each cell matches the correct day. Add a simple header for the month name above your grid so the calendar is clearly labeled. Then select the month name and the week rows. Right-click and choose Detach Instance. And right-click again to ungroup. This gives you direct control of those items for quick edits and layout tweaks. Wrap everything in a main frame so your calendar is contained and easy to manage. Give it a clear size and check that nothing clips or overflows. Test the interactions in place to make sure hover and click behaviors work as expected. Finally, click Preview mode to interact with the calendar and see your state switching live. Thanks for watching.